Well, we're trying to beat some rain here today to get some work done on our bus, Lenny. So Lenny's been kind of neglected for a while, but we're going to get him back on the road here. He's been going through a remodel on the inside. But all these solar panels up on the top, when we were living full-time in the bus, they came in really, really handy for us, but we don't need them now. Me and Jonathan are going to be scheduling some bus rescue missions. We're going to go out and fix a couple derelict buses traveling in the bus. So we don't need the solar panels on there, so we're going to go ahead and start removing them.
Stuck in here. Maybe we should have brought a hammer too.
Yeah, go grab a hammer. Hang on a second, I want to get video of you pulling this off. So lift up on the solar panel and then pull that bracket forward. I figured that would work. Just let it lay on the bus, so that's fine.
This one never got silicone around it. Is a leak back there?
No, it had silicone under it, for sure. Yeah, just twist it this way. And then I'll grab it. There are going to be a lot of people very happy to see these come off of the top of the bus. They really served a purpose for us, but right now the bus is going to look so much better. You got it. Yeah, you got to tip it though, or it's going to catch in the rain gutter. Okay, go grab it. Solar panels are a lot stronger than you think. Here's Jonathan's laying across this one here. It's not going to hurt it any. I fell down on one outside before, full on, flat on my back on one. It didn't break or crack. They're very, very sturdy. You need the extension?
Maybe.
Oh, you already had the extension in it. That thing you had would work. The screw was broke?
Yeah.
We are going to temporarily leave these three up here in the middle, but they will be replaced. Well, I'll get this part here on the windows because you can do that now. It's definitely looking better by getting all the funk off of the bus. The stuff was starting to grow on it, but we're going to fire them up, move them out of here, and then keep going on the interior. We are going to start doing some on-the-road repairs. We got a derelict bus we're looking at going to get back going. It's been sitting for over a decade. We're going to keep our radius within this like 300 miles of Nashville area. But hopefully in the near future, you'll see some really cool videos of us fixing up some old buses that have been sitting for a long time.
Up his tools, check the air and all those duels. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Well, he's got a long hard ride in old Lenny the silversides. Get that bus grease monkey on the road. Well, he's got that hammer down and that 40 47 hound. It's that bus grease monkey on the road. He travels all around and he's coming to your town. Get that bus grease monkey down the road. See that 4104 with the propped up engine door. Watch that bus grease monkey do his thing. 30 years behind that barn, 'cause it don't run worth a darn. Watch that bus grease monkey make it sing. He knows them Detroits, there's no doubt, upside down and inside out. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in that old blue silversides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Now he's moved his family to the hills of Tennessee. Watch that bus grease monkey make his home, bringing buses back to life with the help of his dear wife. Watch that bus grease monkey get it done. Well, he travels town to town working on them old greyhounds. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? Saving buses far and wide in old Lenny the silversides. It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know? It's that bus grease monkey, don't you know?